Hi guys, welcome back. As I said on the community page of the channel, we've had a storm for the past couple of days. That's why I haven't had the time to upload. And it's now Monday, but it's still quite windy. I think this is gonna be the last day of the storms. But as you can see by some of the trees, the wind is still about 100 kilometers an hour at certain points. So anyways, let's go to the lofts and check on if any trees have fallen over. So we just arrived, and as you can see, one did drop, but it's nowhere near the lofts, so that's pretty good. But that's actually my great grandmother's house, so I'll have to clean that one up in a bit. It's actually quite a big one, and that used to be a pigeon loft right there. Last storm, the two that were there fell over and nearly missed the loft. But anyways, let's check on the young birds. They're probably gonna be quite hungry. I'll grab some food in a bit. Look at the coloring on that one's chest. And as I said in the last video, the two new birds, that's actually already one of them. So let's get a close up. Looking at them, there's probably a little bit too much wind on the lofts right now because of the storm. Because some of them are sitting with their feathers open like that. But I think you can close up these vents. Yeah, you should be able to. Or not. They're actually looking quite well. I'm gonna give them a bath once the weather gets a bit better and it's not as cold and windy anymore. The white one looks to be a cockbird, judging by its size. but then again, I've been wrong before just by size, so. Anyways, let's go check on the second round of young birds now. So I just did a total inspection of the entire lofts, and I did find some glass right here at the entrance of the top loft, and the door is damaged. I don't know where it came from, to be honest, and it's all over the roof here as well, but I can't find out where it came from because there's nothing glass around here except that glass, but that's still intact, and it's all over here as well. So I really don't know where it came from. But then down here I did notice something as well. Here's glass down here as well, and in the aviary of this loft, of the breeding loft, and that's of course because this broke. But the glass can impossibly fly up, so I don't know where the glass on top came from, but the glass down here is probably from this. But yeah, not a lot of storm damage, just some minor things. So I believe most of the breeders have laid already. And just to give some information, we only breed a second round out of the breeding birds right here, not out of the flying birds in the top loft, because it screws up the molt in the flying season. So, as you know, this one was the first, last with the first round, so he already has chicks. And let's check on my favorite one. Step out, please. Yeah, he started breeding since the 28th. So I don't think a lot of them will have any chicks yet. Yeah, no, most of them are gonna be on eggs. You know, except the one that was first right there. Let's check on this one too. Nope. I think most of them are still gonna be on eggs. Yeah, but that one is still... We're gonna breed 3 rounds out of him, so... Yeah, don't trample your eggs. And that one might have chicks, because that was the second one last time, so... No, she's still on eggs as well. Yeah, I think only one so far has hatched, and that's gonna be the first birds. The rest is still on eggs. I think all of them have laid around late January, so it's gonna be hatching around Valentine, probably. Maybe a bit later. Actually still need to feed all of these. So yeah. Look at this shot with the LED. This shot is way brighter than it used to be. Anyways. So I think I'm going to end the video here. I'm gonna go cut up the tree that has fallen down right now and feed up all the pigeons, of course. So I'll see you guys in probably a couple of days once it gets better weather. See ya.